Let it get recorded. So what I did, I created one set, and hash set is the class which is implementing set interface. Now what I did, I created some objects over here. I stored in one object, I stored at two locations. One is array list and one is set. Okay, hash set. And now what I'm doing here, I'm printing it list and set. Now let's see the difference. So I will store at least 5 or 6 and then we will conclude the today's learning. So what I will say here my Swapnil first. I want to continue. Then Pankaj. Then again I will say Swapnil in capital and same letters. Okay. Now I say Y. Okay. Enter. Now I'm saying Umesh. Yes, and Akshay. Now what I'm doing here, I don't want to continue. I say no. Now you can see. Uh, 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 why it is printing two objects same. Okay. Understood. What I did the mistakes. I understood. It is a student one, right? We are storing. Yeah, and we are printing the name over here. Now what I will do? Uh, 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 I will give you the another example of this. Give me 1 minute only. Or yeah, I will play one game here. Uh, uh, I will remove this stuff here, and I will just say what is that stud set dot add all collections. Okay, add all, and I will give here stud list. Okay, doesn't matter. Now I'm printing it over here. What I did, I'm storing the student object over here. Okay. Okay. Every time it is creating new student, and still it will not. It is not right one. I have to give you a new example. Okay, so you will understand. I'm really sorry. I will show you what happens. This is a student is a not a string class, so that it's creating the confusion. Okay, I will show you one example in 2 or 3 minutes. Give me time only. Class. So set learn, and I will say public static void main. Finish here. So the difference we have to see that set cannot store the duplicate object. Okay, or second object in a duplicate as a duplicate. Okay, same object as a second time. Same object second time, right? So what I will do here, I will say scanner s is equal to new scanner system dot in. Okay, Control Shift O. I will say of type string string, right? So I will say set is equal to new set of type string, and it's done. Control Shift O, it will import everything. Now what I will say, same coding formula I will use. Play array, yeah, no, not play array, student 4, standard 4. So I will take the character input and blah blah blah. Control C. I will go here. I will store it. I will say set add name. Remove this. Yeah, I want to continue or not. I will decide it here. Now I will go here, and what I will do for string s, not s, temp colon set. Okay, doesn't matter. This out. and I'm printing the 10. Oh, sorry, 10. Right, that's all. That's all. Now we are good with everything. Yes. What I did, just I created the set here. Again, same logic, taking the input, storing it directly to the, adding to the set directly. So let's see, and it is a type of string only. So running this application set learn. So I'm inputting my name Swapnil. Now I'm saying yes, I want to store Umesh. Yes, then Akshay. Yes, again Swapnil. Yes, again Y. Again Umesh. Yeah, Umesh is different one here. Yes, Y Akshay. AKSHAY. Yes, Swapnil small. IL capital. Okay. I don't want to continue. Now, how many objects we have created here? Tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Let it be, this Swapnil will be the same. So 6 objects I have created. Okay, this Akshay is taking as the Y input. Okay, whether we want to continue or not. For that, it has created the A. So it's only 6 objects I have given. Now it will print only 5. Umesh is there, AKSHY is there. This is different. Y is, it has taken the Y as input. Okay, and Swapnil is there. So you can see this Swapnil 1 and this Swapnil 2 are same. So it has skipped it. Okay. Why? Because set does not allow the duplicate. Okay. Set does not allow the duplicate. In case of student, what was happening? In case of student standard 4, what was happening? I was creating the student new here and I was storing it here. Okay. In this set. So that time student internal content is also object. Now in student we have the has a relationship. So student has a string object by name. Okay. So student is having a has a relationship with string object. So every time it is creating a new string. Now what, how the picture will be there, I will show you. So every time I was writing a code, student stud is equal to new student, then I was saying stud dot set name. So here whatever name I was giving, okay. So internally how it works, there is a static pool. Last time also I told Umesh, you might be aware of this.
Yes.
Static, not static, it is a string pool actually. Why it is not writing it here? String pool, whatever happen in string pool, whatever the alphabets or inputs you give, it will get stored into that only. Okay. So if I give different combinations, it will store differently. Okay. Anyhow, so what is happening when I refer that string s is equal to new string Swapnil. What it does, this s will store the address of this Swapnil, the first Swapnil. Okay, I'm moving it likewise 1 minute. I will cut this. Okay, the address of this. How many I will create? Those many times it will store the same address in everyone, in every s. Whatever the objects I will
Yes.
create. Yeah. So
Yes.
whenever set is storing the data, it set it into the key value pair. Set is always storing the data in key value pair. Okay. So key means what? Hash key. Okay. No, not hash, not like that. Not key value pair. Sorry. Set is always storing the data which is pointing to the string. In case of a string, it will store the data from string pool only. Okay. If it is getting repeated, it will not store it here. Okay. It will say it is already there. In case of my this Swapnil, in case of this my Swapnil, second Swapnil, it will say, oh, it is there. I don't want to store it. Okay. It will get override. It will get override. So Umesh, and it does not preserve the sequence. You can see Umesh when I entered Umesh here, when I entered Akshay here,
Yes.
yeah, Swapnil when I entered here, but after that it does not preserve the sequence even. Okay, set does not preserve the sequence. Set does not preserve the sequence. Okay, list will preserve the sequence. Means in which sequence you enter, that will be preserved in the collection, in the list collection. Okay, not in the set collection.
Okay.
Okay, these are the two difference in the set and list. Okay, again there are some array list is there, linked list is there, hash set is there, tree set is there. Okay, sorted set is there. So those are
Okay.
different stories. If I say sorted, what is that, man? I forgot actually. 1 minute. We'll try like this. Import java.util.sorted set. It is an interface, man. Who implemented it? I don't know. There are too many interfaces. Okay, there are too many. What we say? Collections are there. Okay, there are too many collections are there. If you study,
Okay.
you have to study. It will take almost 6 months. Okay, I swear, it will take 6 months. You to be master into the collection. Okay. I never tried all because hash map and the hash set those are useful. But in when you do the programming for mapping or Google Map or something like this, okay, or a huge database, that time you use the collection properly. Okay, if you
Okay.
get a call from any database company or something, you just prepare for the collection. You will crack through. Okay. So tomorrow what we will do? We will see the map. Map is there. Okay, map is not a collection,
Yes.
but it is also used to store the same data or multiple data types, multiple objects. Okay, so that we will see tomorrow. So this is how I will share this code and the text files with you. So you just go through this and I will upload it right away. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, hello.
Yes, yes, tell me.
Sir, तुम्हाला त्या एक एक्झाम्पल ते विचारलं मी,
हा हा हा
तर
त्याच्यासाठी मी
त्यात
तुला
अजून पण डाऊट आहे.
येस येस टेल मी.
मी स्क्रीन शेअर करू का?
एक मिनिट मी तुला होस्ट बनवतो. एक मिनिट मी पहिले रेकॉर्डिंग स्टॉप करतो.